1 minute, ma. It is taking time. Okay, listen, ma. So yesterday, okay, ma. 1 minute. Okay, ma. So finding the area. Okay, in this problem, listen. So yesterday we discussed one method. Just to try to find the area. Okay, like that it is means you can divide. So this is a triangle. So area of the triangle half BH plus it is in the square. So square area of square formula A square. So like that you can use the particular component area formula. Okay, this is hello. Please mute yourself.
So I think so you are muted, sir.
Yes, thank you. Listen. First I am finding for area 1 in this area. So first part L into B, 4 minus 2 difference. Okay, next one 4 minus 0, L cross B, finding L cross B, area 1. So next area 2 I want to find. So area 2, see that there is no proper, it is not looking like triangle, it is not looking like rectangle. So combined together it is a. So like that situation, how to find the value means, now we are discussing area 2 for in this portion. So this is a using of base into height. Okay, base value, the height value, maximum height. See that in this point, this is 10. And the edge point, it is no last turning point. So maximum value, this is 10, and in this corner the value is 4. So you should add 10 plus 4. The height value you can add for in this method alone 10 plus 4 into difference only in this particular interval only, no, 8 minus 4. That is the next step. So area 1 completed, area 2 completed. So area 2 half into 10 plus 4. So 10 means maximum height, 4 means that is the minimum value, that is edge. You should add into 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 means difference, base difference, 8 minus 4. Okay, first one completed. Area 2 also completed. Now we want to find area 3. So area 3, see that. So this is the maximum point, no? So half into maximum point 10. The minimum point, it is 2. We should add 10 plus 2. Okay. Into the base difference 12 minus 8 for only in this particular portion. 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8. Now do the simplification. 4 minus 2 means you will get 2 into 4. That is 8. 1 by 2, 10 plus 4, 14. 8 minus 4, 4. So 7 times 14 into 1 by 2, 14 into 4. Next one, 10 plus 2, 12. 1 by 2 into 12. 12 minus 8, it is 4. So 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Just a multiple, you will get 8 plus 24 plus 24. The answer is 60 joule. So like that you should find the area base. No need to use the formula. They are asking find the work, no? So what means force into displacement. So normal they will give separately for force value, displacement value. But in this graphical method, from the area, you want to calculate that particular area. Maximum, triangle, rectangular, and a square. 3 area formula, it is enough. And like this, it is no, so unknown. We can find all the triangle and the square also like this. It is means use in this method. Everyone take a note. Just a question. Calculate the work done displacing the body from A to B. So work done formula, area under the Fs graph. A to B they asked. This is the point A. This is point B. In case they connected like this means you should take in this rectangular also. Okay. So next problem, computer students, please note it. Next problem, a body constrained to move along the z-axis of coordinate system in subjected to a constant force. F vector equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap Newton. Ijk are unit vector along the xyz coordinate axis respectively. What is the work done by this force moving the body through a distance 4 meter along z-axis? So for finding the different problem it is there, listen. So before we discussed it, so work means force into displacement. So force is the vector quantity and this one also vector quantity. So normal dot product. One problem like this completed. Second problem, they given force directly value in displacement 2 points 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2 like that, x2 minus x1. So that is the second method. So this is the third method. Okay, 4 meter along z-axis means no need to consider about I cap and j cap because it is only placed in z-axis. You can take only z value. 4 k cap. So what about the value of I cap j cap? It is 0. One more model. Okay. Then normal dot product only. For 3 4s are 12 j cap. I dot I value 1, k dot k value 1, j dot j value 1. That is the properties of dot product. Please take a notes. Okay. So this is your NCERT textbook, work, energy and the power. The starting, what is introduction part, what is work, what is energy and what is the power, what is the relationship between three also. So after that, scalar product. So we already completed how to take scalar product and the properties of scalar product. So finding the angle cos theta. So after we discuss about the work energy theorem. The final formula, the changing kinetic energy is equal to work. So after work definition, so there is a no work, 0 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, negative work, positive work. Next, kinetic energy formula. The work done by variable force. So this is the formula, the area formula, Fs into del x, finding the area alone. So no need for in this area derivation part. Finding the work done. The formula W is equal to xi xf into fx dx. That is the limit. Okay. So you can try in this problem, example 6.5. Example 6.5. Please note it. The concept of potential energy, that MGH formula. Yeah, this one we want to discuss. The conservation of mechanical energy. Next, the potential energy of a spring in this diagram relevant. So what is conservative force? Related conservative force. The various forms of energy, heat energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, the equivalence of mass and energy E is equal to mc square formula, nuclear energy. This one, the principle of conservation of energy. Next to power, at a different value, 1 HP, 100 watt. So what is the value in joule? Collision in 2 dimension, collision in 1 dimension, elastic collision, inelastic collision. The different cases. The 2-dimension formula under some conditions. Okay. So we completed all the areas now. Only that the potential area alone it is pending. So remainder it is completed. (6.8) and 6.9. The conservation of mechanical energy, the potential energy of a spring. So only 2 topics. Okay, all the topics we completed. Okay. So in these 2 topics we will discuss in upcoming class. There is no problem. Up to that, if you have any doubt, any topic, today I will share you the notes. You can use it. Number 6, notes. Okay, today I will share. For term 1 syllabus, chapter number 1 to chapter number 8. So up to 6th chapter we completed. Remainder 2 chapter it is there. Rotational motion, another one gravitation. Rotational motion somewhat a different area. Gravitation it is very easy. So only 2 chapters now. So most maximum August 20. We will complete term 1 syllabus. Okay, after we start with the revision work. So be ready for that. Okay, so today tested is no. So everyone revise laws of motion. What is the first law of motion, second law of motion, third law of motion? What is inertia? With the real life example, the law of conservation of momentum, the linear momentum formula, Newton's second law of motion mathematical formula, impulse, force into time, changing momentum. In this chapter, there is no derivation part, no need to worry about derivation part. Okay, problem, concept, it is enough. And a friction, and the example of frictions. So what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages? And banked road formula. So how to reduce friction? Okay. So now everyone revise chapter number 5, ma. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. It is a unit test, 40 marks. Prepare yourself. Chapter number 5. If you have any doubt, you can ask. After we'll go for chapter number 6. No problem. Tarun, Ganesh, Haris, Hanis, Degadeep, Vishwahani, Yeah, very good. Maximum students attend, so around 80 students today test. Super. Keep it up. So we'll discuss answer at the upcoming class, ma'am. Okay. And everyone prepare for today test. Okay, try to attend everyone.